everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name, of course, is Dorian, and I'm here with my beautiful friend Erin. Hey girl, how are you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. So today on 5 Minute Fridays, we're going to do something a little bit different. So what I want to do is I want to show her how to put on her eyeshadow and then finish the look off with a beautiful winged cat eyeliner. Now, a lot of people have really thought that this is going to be the hardest part of your makeup application, when in fact, if you follow some simple tricks, you'll be able to do it yourself at home in less than 5 minutes. All right, so now that we have the look on, I'm going to show you how to achieve that lifted eyeliner look in just a couple of seconds. So what you're going to want to do is grab yourself a really beautiful kohl pencil. This is a kohl pencil from Tom Ford. It has a shimmery brown color to it, and this is what we're going to use to get that boop lifted lifted liner look. A couple of different things that you can do with this look. If you wanted to just wear it as a liner, definitely just put it on the top, set it with a little bit of powder if you need to, if you feel like it moves around. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and look down, is pop this into that top part of the eye. And right at the outsides, you are going to just put it on slightly thicker. And you want to stop right before you get to the edge. Now, I'm going to show you why, and it's probably one of the most important steps. So we want to get this look lifting the eye. A lot of people will put that liner all the way to the bottom of the lid, and if you notice, when the lid goes all the way to the end, it starts to droop down. So to avoid that, if you right before the end stop your liner, you're going to help to achieve that lifted look. By laying down your pencil on the corner of your eye, you can then draw a little line up so that it gives you an idea of where you want to lay down your eyeliner. So right from the outside of the corner of the eye, you're going to pull up, 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 and create a little line. That little line that you create is going to be easy peasy to just grab your pencil. You're going to get that line, connect it, draw it right into the eye area, giving yourself that really pretty little point right there, a nice little wing liner. Now, to get this a little bit more dramatic, if you wanted something just a little bit longer, grab yourself a cream shadow brush. I like to use something that's really nice and thin. You're going to grab the kohl liner, because kohl is a creamy pencil, so you can definitely move it around the eye. It's not waterproof. Waterproof pencil, once you lay it down, is going to stay there. It gives you maybe a few seconds for you to be able to play and buff it out. A kohl pencil stays creamy, so it gives you the opportunity of playing with it for a lot longer. Now that you have that laid down, you're going to grab your creamy shadow brush, and at the tips, right where the end of your eye is, you're just going to help to move that liner up and create a soft wing. Now, how easy was that? It's as simple as grabbing your kohl pencil, filling in from the base of the lash all the way to the end, never going all the way to the final end corner. Grab your pencil, find the corner of your eye, draw a little line up, and connect the point and tip of that with the rest of the eyeliner. It is really, really simple. Now, if you have been doing this and you're super frustrated and you just can't get it done, a little insider tool, a little insider trick. This is definitely something that's going to save you so much time, so much headache. Grab yourself your concealer, a concealer flat brush or a cream shadow brush. Going to grab a little bit of that concealer, and with the tip, you're going to draw from the corner of the eye all the way up and really clean up that line, giving you an even sharper, more beautiful finish. 1, 2, 3, super simple. Practice this at home, work on it. Practice makes perfect, but these simple tricks are a great way to get you that beautiful wing liner any day of the week. Thank you for watching the video. 5-Minute Fridays every Friday. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe. Ring that little bell so that you get notifications of any of the videos that I release. Thank you for watching, you guys. Thank you, Erin, for being here with me. Y'all have a wonderful day.
Bye.
Be kind to each other. Bye.